Hi, my name is Beth with You the Writer, and I want to talk to you about the basics of screenshots. And I like to use screenshots for many different things, but when it applies to when I'm writing a book, why am I using a screenshot? Most likely, the only reason why I'm using it is for my cover that I'm creating, but I also used a lot of screenshots in the book that I'm writing right now. That's a how-to book. I needed screenshots to show people to have visuals for them. And so that's the reason why you would use screenshots. If you're writing fiction, you wouldn't be using a screenshot most likely. But you might use it though if you decide to design your own cover. And that's what I've used screenshots for. So I want to show you how to take a screenshot. First of all, I've opened up a blank Microsoft Word document. Sometimes I'll open up PowerPoint for this, and I just want a blank document. And I'm going to go over here to Insert, and you're going to see Screenshot here. You're going to see available windows that you could take a screenshot of. Now, if you choose available windows, let me show you. I'm going to just choose this one. It has that picture still open. You're going to get all of this with it. Okay, that's just what available windows does. But sometimes I'll use that one if I want all of that, but most likely I don't. So I'm going to just delete that. And now I'm going to show you screen clipping. This is the one I usually use, especially if I need to take a screen clipping of my cover page that I'm designing. I will use screen clipping instead of the available windows. So let me show you what screen clipping is. Now it opened up this, and then it's going to kind of turn white like that, and you're going to get this little plus sign. Whatever you're going to have to use if you have a mouse, which I don't. I'm just using my little pad on my laptop, and you're going to have to outline what you want. And it's kind of specific about how you do this, so you're going to have to practice with it. But here I'm going to show you. I'm going to just outline this part. Let me show you. There. And then once I unclick that, that's my screenshot. Okay? Now you can take screenshots of pretty much anything, but I've learned something. For instance, what if I didn't want a screenshot of this? And that's all that was giving me the option of. I'm going to delete that. One of the things I can do is I wanted a screenshot of this picture. So I'm going to click on that picture, and then I'm going to go click back onto my blank document. And now I'm going to go back to Insert, Screenshot, Screen Clipping, and guess what? My picture should show up this time. It did. So now it's going to go through that whole little thing where I get that plus sign, and I'm going to have to outline this, and it can get a little tricky when you don't have a mouse. So I've learned to kind of just practice. I didn't like that, but so I can always delete it and try it again. And usually that's what happens to me. My first couple times I mess up. There we go. Now I got a better screen clipping of that, and I could always just edit that back part out. So there's my screen clipping. Now why do I want that? Well, here is another thing that you can do. You can save that screen clipping as an image, which is what I'm going to do. You're going to right click it. You're going to save it as a picture. And mine always opens up as a portable network graphics. I like to change it to JPEG. And then you're just going to give it whatever name you want, and then you'll hit save. And I believe I already have that saved, so I'm not going to do anything with that right now. So that's all that you have to do to get your screenshot as an image. Now, one of the reasons why that's important, if I was designing this in Word without the screenshot, for instance, if I had opened up a text box, drew a text box in here, and inserted a picture in here. Let's see, let's do a shape fill picture. On my computer, it loads pictures very slowly from my file. Let's say I just want that picture. Okay, so this is the thing. If I wanted to right click this, save as image doesn't come up. And if I try to just Control C, which would be to copy it and put it into another document, I might be able to do that in a Word document, but nothing else. I want it to be an image. That's the whole purpose of taking a screenshot. So sometimes what I have to do is I have to design what I want with a text box and my picture background, and I format it and everything and get a little picky with it. Then I'll open up another screen, like, let me just do it here because I don't want it on what I'm working on. Let me do a blank document if my computer will go a little faster. I think faster than my computer. Okay, so I have decided I want a screenshot of what I just did. I'm going to go insert, screenshot, screen clipping actually is what I want. And it showed up again. And I'm not going to take the best one, I'm just giving you an example. And now, though, I can save it as a picture. You can save screen clippings as pictures. And so that's the value of using screenshots. Once again, my name is Beth with You the Writer, and I would love to hear from you.